why don't we jump into blockchain? Because we can go back into NYIAX and how it interacts with the blockchain and how it interacts with NASDAQ, but why don't you define what it is for everyone so we're all on the same page?
Yeah, so there's a bunch of ways we can define. There's a few characteristics which are critical around blockchain. So the fact, first of all, it's the way we're using it is it's a record of the transactions, right? And it's immutable, right? And what immutable means is that you can't basically go back and change it, right? It's typically synchronized across the nodes, which you're seeing here. And there's a bunch of ways you can do that. What you're seeing underneath it is the centralized version to your left, the kind of decentralized version, and the distributed version, right? These, I won't touch too much on the trigger transactional automatically because that's very much related to smart contracts, which is a somewhat separate but connected topic. But essentially, it's a mechanism which is enabled the transfer of assets between parties rather than the copy of assets between two parties, and that's critical because of what we've had in the technology world in the internet for the last 20 years is really just been a copy, right? And that's not allowed for assets to really be transferred in a very trusted and transparent way. So that's what blockchain, the promise of blockchain is at the most fundamental level.